How to hide your following list on Instagram in 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile section. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and explore the Followers and Following section. You might notice some new options, but currently, Instagram still does not provide a direct option to completely hide your following list. But don't worry, there's an alternative method you can try. Go back, scroll down, and tap on Help. Now select Report a Problem, and then tap on Report a Problem without shaking. Here, you'll see a text box. Write a request asking Instagram to add a feature that allows you to hide your following list for privacy reasons. Once you've written your request, tap on Submit. After submitting, Instagram usually responds within 24 hours, depending on your account and region. Quick tip, if you want more privacy right now, you can switch your account to Private. This way, only approved followers can see your following list. And that's it. That's how you can request and improve privacy for your following list on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.